Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to verify your IC Markets account. We just created an account on IC Markets and right now I will show you exactly how you can verify your account. So what we're gonna do right here is quite simple. We go here to verify your account and now we do all the steps right here that they are asking us. So right now fill everything in here that they're asking you and then after that we can go to the next part. Then we are here at financial information and now they want all the information that they're asking you right here. So make sure that you give answer to all the questions. And now they are asking more questions. So also give the answer to those questions. And right now they want to know your knowledge. So they will give you some questions and please answer them. So we will do this real quick. So we give them answers to all the questions and right now they're telling us success. So we click now on continue and now they want a government photo or ID and they want a proof of residence. So we will upload this real quick. Click on this and then you can upload your file from here. So right now we just uploaded the files that they needed and now we did everything to verify our account. So now they are under control and they are checking if our government photo ID and proof of residence are correct. And then after this we can start trading and our account is verified. So this is how you can verify your account on IC Markets. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.